sleep with all this cinnamon. Could you, Melosonic? Melosonic? Melosonic! Oh, Shy Guy. I was able to sleep. Oh dear. Oh, come on. Melosonic, I wish a storm would just go. Well, Shy Guy, that underrun lightning storms are kind of noisy, but you know the good thing about them? No, I don't. I don't know the good thing about thunder and lightning storm. Lightning storm, Melosonic. I don't know this. Don't worry. They just sort of come in, they go. So just relax. Be okay, Shy Guy. Alright. Okay. I got an idea. Every time it's thunder and lightning so much, I pretend that it's Mario taking pictures with his flash camera. That way, Metal, you won't be afraid, Sonic. Shy Guy, I am not afraid. Oh, just do what I don't want. Just let me sleep, please. Okay. There. Mario just took a picture of Donkey Kong lifting weights. Uh-oh. He dropped the weights. And then great. What's your sound perfect? Hey, Metal Sonic? Yeah, Metal. Alright. Yeah, Shy Guy. Okay, here we go again. Oh, my goodness. There's Mario taking pictures with taking a picture of Luigi, Harry, playing bowling. Oh my goodness, Luigi got a strike. Alright. Wait, Melzard. Oh, terrific, Shy Guy. Oh, will it be this time? I don't know. No. Oh. Funky colors, kid. Carrying a jug of water upstairs. Okay, Storm. Ready when you are. Get this going. Oh, I can't sleep with all this quiet. There's too much quiet. Got an idea. I'll just take this flashlight here and I turn this lightning storm. Flash. There, Mario just took a picture of Funky Kong carrying the jug. Eating the jug of water. He drops the jug. Bang! Don't worry, no, sorry. It's only me pretending that there's a lightning storm. Why me? Oh,